We need to be able to change the displayed value to either an X or an O when a square is clicked. The board component currently maintains the value in each square in the square's state array. We need to create a way for the square component to update the parent board component state. Since state is considered to be local and private to the component that defines it, we cannot update the board component state directly from the square component. In React, we deal with this by passing a function down from the board component to the child square component, which the square component calls when a square is clicked, which in turn causes the board component state to update. We thus indirectly update the board state from the square component. Let's define the function that will be passed down. We will call it handleClickEvent. It will take the index I as an argument. For the time being, we will simply have the function show an alert when it is called. Next, we have to pass this function down to the square component. Let's first make some space to do so. We will call the prop the function is passed to onClickEvent. We will pass the handleClickEvent function invoked with index I within an anonymous function, since we want it to be called only when a square is clicked. Now, we can move into the button onClick handler in the child square component. Pass the onClickEvent prop in as its handler. Now, the handleClickEvent handler at the index of the square will be called when the button is clicked. Let's test this out in the browser. First, save the file. Let's click on the square with index 2. You can see in the browser that an alert appears, showing that square 2 was clicked.